If you remember, I make a video last 2 weeks talking about the Ghana game against Nigeria, and yesterday I did a video as well talking about Ghana versus Nigeria. A lot of people were saying that the game gonna Ghana gonna win 1-0. A lot of people say 2-0, 2-0. I was listening to radio station and most of the people was calling saying that Ghana gonna win 2-0, 2-0. And I was watching, I was listening to one radio station in Nigeria as well. That is I love sports, so that is a radio station that normally I listen back in Nigeria. That is Bela FM 88.9. And a lot of people were saying that well, Nigeria going to win 2-1. But I saw it that the game is not going to be that is not going to be win, it's going to be draw. But I must to be honest here. What I saw on my dream 2 weeks ago, it is was 1-1. So if you remember yesterday, I make a video saying that the game gonna end draw. Even if it is 0-0, it is draw. But what I saw on my dream, 1-1. So where the 1-1 will come when Ghana go to Nigeria, the game gonna end in Nigeria 1-1, and the team that or the country that will qualify in Nigeria is gonna be penalties. The game is gonna be penalties in Nigeria. I do not have a dream about that it's gonna have like it's gonna be penalties. But my dream never failed me. My family know like I'm kind of someone like when I had dream and I came out to say or come out to say, well, I had dream last week about this, no matter what, 2 weeks later, 1 month later, the dream that I have will happen, will come to pass. So the one I saw and it didn't happen today, trust me, it's gonna happen in Abuja. And the country that will qualify to the World Cup, Ghana, Nigeria, it's gonna end up in penalties. It's gonna be draw because this one and the 1-1 doesn't come in end draw in Ghana here. It's gonna be 1-1 in Nigeria. You wait and see. That's why I always tell people out there that look, there is no pastor in out there. There is no pastor out there. If someone say, "Well, I'm a pastor, I'm a man of God," there is no man of God out there. All of us being here in this planet. Listen, God will a lot of things to us day and night. But when you don't understand some certain things, sometimes you had a dream and you say, wow, this is just a dream. But God is opening your eyes to understand some certain things. I have friends, I've been in a relationship, and sometimes I always say that when you are moving with a friend, just be your kind heart. If you are into relationship, just be in your kind heart. But when that person is trying to do something different or having different negative mind against you, thinking that maybe you are like you're gonna take advantage of you, God will open your eyes to tell you that be very careful with this. And this is not the first time, this is not the second time when it comes to friendship, relationship, a family side. I have so many times. So guys, this is what I can say. Believe in yourself and know who you are. There is no pastor out there who will say, God. No, 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 no. There is no pastor out there. Father, God create you and you are in this world. If only you are living a kind life, God cannot just veil things to you when you are sleeping and thinking negative against your brother, when you are sleeping and thinking and negative things against your sister. There is no way God will open your eyes to show you some certain things. But when you are living a life with a kind life, living a life want your brother to succeed, living a life want your sister to succeed, listen, trust me, no matter what gonna happen, God will open your eyes to see. And why I saw this that they're gonna be 0-0. I love football so much. And God, I feel like God knew that the end of the day, I'm gonna put all my hope and my trust that Ghana gonna win. And if you don't take time, it's gonna affect me. So sometimes God will open your eyes to see some certain things, but it won't be exactly what you saw. That is why I saw that the game is draw, end 1-1. But at the end of the day, it end draw. But what I saw in my dream was 1-1. So sometimes God will not tell you the specific like this is how, but it makes some certain things similar like the end of the day you will understand so that you won't put too much of hope. Okay.